Let's look at your entitlement. Are you sure it says Standalone Cloud Leased and you're running Linux? Here's how you activate your Standalone Cloud Leased license by running ULIC, the license activation utility. Before you begin, your Uniface machine must have an internet connection to activate and renew the license. When activating a license on a machine for the first time, its persistent storage needs to be prepared. This only needs to happen once, and the first time you activate the license on this machine. When you have installed Uniface as root using the installer, this is already prepared. Navigate to your common folder and run insunis with .adm/insunis. This script sets all Uniface environment variables. Now your computer is ready to activate the Cloud-Served Entitlement. To activate your license, run the ULIC command. ULIC/act to activate, followed with your entitlement ID. Run this command for each standalone Cloud Lease entitlement you want to activate. You can see your actual license file listed as lservrec.